The ingredients for this recipe: minced pork, minced onion, crushed garlic, salt, freshly ground black pepper, ground coriander, cayenne pepper, freshly grated nutmeg, dried thyme, minced fresh sage, dried breadcrumbs, prepared puff pastry, and a large egg beaten with milk. Hello, welcome back to Cooking with Chris. This week we're doing sausage rolls. Written, well, not really, originally invented in 19th century France, but I think we've taken it over, what with Greggs and all the other outlets. Anyway, today I'm going to show you how to make this recipe. Very simple, very enjoyable, and we all love a sausage roll. See you in a minute. We've got 1,000 grams of minced pork, and now I put in 2 tablespoons of minced onion, and then a freshly ground piece of garlic, and then some salt, kosher salt in this one, and then ground black pepper. It's just a case of adding all the ingredients. Ground coriander, cayenne pepper, then we put in some sage, and last of all some breadcrumbs. And we mix all this together, get it thoroughly mixed in, and then after that we go to the next stage and take the mix and put it into the centre of the film and roll this out into the shape that you're eventually going to use. So put it into a sausage shape, and then what we do is once that's done, you then put this into the fridge to firm up for 10 to 15 minutes. So just take that, fold it over, roll it tight, and then right, I've just taken these out of the fridge, and as you can see I've got a yield of 5 out of these, and these are now firmed up. And what we'll do now is to put some flour on the worktop and get these ready for the next part. Get yourself a bit of flour, put it over there so it doesn't stick to the worktop, and then take these out ready for the pastry. I've now taken the sausage roll mixture out, I've put it onto the pastry, and now what we have to do is roll this up so that it forms a long sausage. Putting a little bit of egg wash over here so that it sticks. And now what we'll do is just roll this over until it gets into the shape that we want. Once it's there, you need to put a little bit more egg wash on it so that it sticks together. Push that in firmly with your fingers, and then cut it with a sharp knife. Fold it over a bit more, and then cut this to the portions that you want the roll to actually be. So I reckon if we was to cut that into half, about there, and then half again, that will be a good size for a sausage roll. And then before you put them in the oven, slash them across here for a nice decorative mark. It also lets the heat go in, and then we put these on a tray, and then we'll just give these a little bit of egg wash before we bake them. I've put these onto a prepared baking sheet, and they're now going to go in the oven for 15 to 18 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 centigrade. What I'm going to do now is to make a sauce to go with the sausage rolls, and it's quite simple. What I've got here are some sultanas that I've been soaking overnight in some water, and then we'll just add some brown sauce to it, nothing else. So just brown sauce and sultanas. That sounded a bit rude. Okay, there we are. And now we'll blitz this up, and that's a sauce. There we are, that's it, all done. Lovely sausage rolls, done in the traditional way, and it's got the accompaniment of that nice sauce with it. I hope you enjoyed me making this video. Please like and subscribe, and thanks to all those who've already subscribed. Anyway, watch out for another video. See you soon. Bye.